Okay guys, today I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to put together a Rainsmart Ellipse Double Soakaway Crate. So start off by laying our base plate down. If you're doing this on site, it is easier on a level base, so put an old bit of ply or something down just to give you a sound footing. Start off with one of our end plates. Just give it a little tap with a rubber mallet. We include these with our cubic metre set. The inner plates, there's two of the inner plates. They're actually the same plate, but they line up with a row of crosses on the base plate. You'll see that from a close-up in a minute. Same with the end one. Then we put another top plate on. Now the trick here is to just line it up quickly beforehand. And when you tap it down, tap it in an L shape from one corner round that corner, and that lines everything up. Just like that. Once you've tapped that L, everything else will go together nice and smoothly. Turn it on its side, put another long plate on. Side plate or base plates, they're actually the same plates. And because we've put that first bit together, it just aligns itself. It's really easy. Turn it upside down. That's your last plate. So that's one single that we've put. We'll now make another single together, and then we'll put that on top to make a double. So on this one, I'm going to put the pipe entry plate on the end. Doesn't matter which end, because you can turn around whichever direction you want as long as it is on the end. Tap that one in. Again, line up our inner plates with the X's on the base. Then the end plate. As you can see, I'm not whacking it hard. It's really easy to align them. Make sure they're aligned. Don't forget the L shape. Tap from one corner down. There's my L. Now I can finish that one off like so. Turn that round. Put the side wall on. You have that quite aligned up correctly. Now all I'm going to do is put that on top of my initial one. So it's just a case of making sure that you've got it so that the lugs line up. Give it a tap, and there you go. That's your Ellipse Double Soakaway Crate. 4 of those makes up a cubic metre, so I think you could quite comfortably put together a cubic metre in about 10 minutes.